Joe Travels, and today I have these guys to help demonstrate this. And today I was walking around in the store and I found this, the AWE Striker, which comes with crankcase action figure. We're going to have an unboxing today. That's why I brought these. Let's right here. You put the scissor in. Cut. And it fell out. I have Sergeant Slaughter, Bullhorn, Gung-Ho, and Spirit. These are the pieces, and I have the blueprint. And now we're going to put it together. Remember to clip your file card, and I'm going to do that later so they can have a little door into a little house. Now that we've assembled the vehicle, let's put on the decals. Oh. This was pretty easy, except for the two stickers and the hose. The two stickers were not in the instructions, and the hose was hard to get on. You only need an adult for that. Aside from that, it was pretty easy. So, here it is. All the stuff. All done. Let's play. I have a snow cat. And a different car that we're going to play with today. G.I. Joes don't fit on the pegs, but the new G.I. Joe does. I'll just put these guys where they can fit. Let's fight Cobra. Do you want to go to the Arctic or the jungle? Comment down below that answer, and like, subscribe, and comment if you liked this video. And bye! Let's go fight Cobra. These Joes are going towards the jungle hideout.